Hello guys, today we will be making a very simple number guessing game using Python. So how this will work is, it will first take a number from 0 to your preferred choice and ask for the user for his/her guess. If it is correct, he wins, else the question is asked again. So let's get started. Now we are going to run this program and see if this works. So yeah, what is the biggest number in the range of random numbers? I will be choosing 10. Now let's just choose a number and we'll try every number and 5 is the correct number. Yeah. Now the code. It will ask for the limit of the random numbers to choose from, and then we will run a while loop and check if the guess is correct. That's the code. So that's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video and I'll link the GitHub gist down in the description. Bye.